Your Honda features an available wireless charger for easy smartphone recharge while on the go. Indicated by the wireless power logo, the wireless charging pad can charge compatible devices without any cables. While many popular devices are compatible with the wireless charger, not all devices are supported. Be sure to check with your phone's user manual or manufacturer's website to verify compatibility. Before you use the wireless charger, always make sure there are no metal objects, such as coins or keys, on top of the charging pad. Keep the charging pad clear to avoid any interference or damage while charging devices. Metal objects may get very hot if left on the charger. To charge your compatible phone, turn the system on by pressing and briefly holding the power button until the green indicator light is illuminated. Then place your device in the middle of the charging pad. The system will automatically begin charging and the amber light will illuminate. The green indicator light will come back on when the charging cycle is complete. But with some devices, the amber light may continue to illuminate even after charging is complete. Be sure to check the power level on the device to verify the actual charge level completed.